Hey guys, welcome to another surprise video. Today we're going to take a look at 4 surprise eggs. We've got a Hello Kitty super surprise egg, Shrek super surprise egg, Spiderman surprise egg, Spongebob surprise egg, and today we got Elsa and Anna watching us from Frozen, along with Peppa Pig, Scooby-Doo, Hello Kitty and Daddy Pig. In our first surprise egg we got this really nice Hello Kitty toy, and here's the collection you can get from that surprise egg, which is a nice collection. You get sweets in every single surprise egg. And so let's see what's in our next surprise egg, which will be the Spider-Man surprise egg. Anyone like pink surprise eggs? So let's take a look at the super surprise Spider-Man. Let's see what we can find. Get some stickers. We get this really cool spin top with a Spider-Man on it. So let's give it a spin and see what it does. It spins really well. So let's take a look at the Shrek surprise egg. It'd be nice to find the gingerbread man, because we all love a bit of gingerbread. Really nice figure we got. Let me know in the comments below what's her name. Get a really nice collection with them eggs. And get some cool stickers, as always. So let's take a look at our last final surprise egg, which is the super surprise SpongeBob egg. If anyone knows what this is, let me know in the comments below. I don't think Anna or Elsa know what this is, but it could be very cool. SpongeBob stickers. So let's take a look at what we had today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos every day.